C major scale on saxophone. So the C major scale can actually be played in 2 octaves on your saxophone. So we're going to start off with the low octave, but I'm also going to show you how to play the C major scale in the upper octave on your saxophone. Okay, so get your saxophone ready. We're going to start off with the low C. That's going to be our starting note. So find that fingering by pushing down the B, A, G key in your left hand, the F, E, and D key in your right hand, and then push down the lower of these 2 play keys with your index finger. So this is for low C. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the pinky down here. And this is low C. So moving from low C, you will be playing the following. So low C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. All right, so now it's time to play this. So get your saxophone ready, finger that low C. So B, A, G, F, E, D, and the pinky down here. And let's play it together. Here we go. Alright, so now you know how to play C major scale in the lower register on your saxophone for that low C. Now next, let's move up 1 octave, starting from the middle C, ending up on the high C with the octave key on the back of the saxophone. Now, it's going to be really similar when it comes to the fingerings. The main difference is that you use the octave key here on the back of the saxophone. So it's just the first note, this middle C, that's going to be without octave key. After that, all the other keys will have the octave key pushed in. So let's cover these notes just quickly now. So it's going to be really similar. So starting from middle C here, move to D with octave key. So now pushed in the octave key here on the back. This will be on now for the rest of these notes. So octave key on the back, D, E with octave key, F with octave key, G with octave key, A with octave key, B with octave key, and then C with octave key. So really similar in comparison to the first octave. Just that difference with actually using the octave key here on the back. So I think you're ready to play this. So get your saxophone up. Let's get ready. Let's play this as well. Starting from middle C, moving to D with octave key, and then all the way up to high C. All right, here we go. Okay, so now you know the fingerings from low C all the way up to high C. Let's end this by putting this together, starting from low C all the way up to that high C. So over 2 octaves on your saxophone. Let's get ready by fingering the low C. That's going to be the starting note, and then we move all the way up. All right, so bring your saxophone up and let's do it. Alright, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.